The operating season is coming to an end. It is very important to maintain the drone before storing it. In this tutorial, we will talk about how to inspect and clean the drone body, disassemble the rear housing of the drone, and check if the screws on the arm and folding part are firmly fixed. Tighten the screws with M3 hexagon socket screwdriver and M4 hexagon socket from motor number 1 to motor number 6. As the loosened screws are easy to be lost, please tighten screws on the side, top, and bottom of the folding part. Check the screws at the connection between the landing gear and the body frame. If the drone has crashed before, the screws here are easily become loose and fall off. Check the screws on the motor base. Tighten the 4 fixing screws on the top and 1 at the bottom. Check the screws on the propeller clips. Check whether the propellers are damaged or deformed. Normally, there will be no contact between the 2 propellers after folding. The drone body inspection is completed. Check whether the connectors are loose or damaged. Check whether the connector of the spreading system is protected. The circuit inspection is completed. Wipe the drone surface with a damp cloth. Note, it is strictly forbidden to flush the front and rear housing with a high-pressure washer. That's the end of this tutorial. Follow us for more drone tips. Thank you.